Hello. Wait. I'm here. I'm right here. Okay. Up. Here. We are. Hello. Why? I shouldn't. I should do something with this camera because yeah, it's shaking a bit. There is a hole there. Anyway, you need to change this camera. I need to work. I prefer this one. Now this is good. Anyway. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back. We have quite some news today. I mean, not really, but yeah, we do. I worked a bit for once. I worked a bit off stream on what we're gonna do today, being the plane. So I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you what I did, and technically we should have all the parts. We should maybe, if I'm efficient enough, we should finish the assembly of the plane today. And I think that this is gorgeous. I mean, yeah, we will finish the assembly of the plane today. We have 3 hours. Yeah, we will finish it. I feel it. It's a nice, it's gonna be good. Sound good. I think we're gonna manage to do it. And hopefully we will also start painting the decorative parts. That's it, I think. I don't know, because I will show you, but I don't know if I don't want to go too far. We will see. And there is still some parts printing right now, so I need to open Prusa slicer to see, but it should be ready in like 30-40 minutes. We won't need them right away, but I will go get them later. It ends at 6:49, so yeah, in 46 minutes we have time. And yes, it's gonna be a plane. We're gonna work on it. Hello, Teen Talent. What? I didn't see your message there. It's okay. I saw that you have 15 stream streak. Well done. Well done. What else? This. Because technically, we didn't quite finish the Prusa MK3. So I have this part. Okay, no, let me start from the beginning. We didn't quite finish the Prusa MK3 yet. There is something to do. There is this to do. There is the LED and all the lighting and everything. And there is some transparent parts to do. So I ordered all the parts that I needed for the LED. And so the LEDs should be, I don't know if I will do it on stream or no, but it's going to be after the US, so in 2 weeks. And I need transparent parts. I need to do it. I need to print it. Complicated, but in the meantime, I did that. No, I don't have the old parts, but basically, this is a decorative badge holder, and I redesigned it because on the parts, I don't know why, but this here wasn't flush. So I just redesigned everything. And I also changed the dimension. So this fits a card, a credit card or business card. And so I think we're gonna glue this. That's gonna be the first thing that we're gonna do today. Just gluing this. And then I'm gonna show you everything that I did on the plane and that we still have to do. So I'm just cutting a bit because you can see that there's a bit of an elephant foot. Not much, but enough to be visible. Up. I just want to see, since it's gonna be glued like that. Yeah, I don't want to do it too much. I think I'm not gonna do it actually. I'm gonna cut when it's gonna be glued. So the important part is to keep it aligned. So it's just printed with normal PLA white. Not much to say. Not much to say except that it's printed with the printer itself on which this will go. So it's printed with the Prusa MK3 with a 0.25 nozzle. And hello, Abyssal Melody. And like that. Yeah, and see that's not fully flush because there's a bit of an elephant foot. I will cut it, but at least it looks clean. Up. Let me turn this off because I received notification here. Okay, so very complicated project, as you can see. It was so tough to do. Just a bit of glue, and I can show you, now I can show you the plane. What I did and what's left to do. Up on the side. So the first thing, this. So as you can see, it worked a bit. So I think last time this and this, no, maybe this was assembled. I don't remember where. I assembled this part this afternoon. There is a slight issue there with the part broke a bit, but it's okay. We still have to assemble the tail. And this is going to be big. It's going to be very big. Oh yeah, this part. So this part, I don't know if you remember, but I broke something. Okay, I need to... Okay, I'm gonna put this away. And so basically I had to reprint the parts, all the parts. The middle one here is also made on the MK3 with a small nozzle. And you cannot really tell, but the black thing here is a spring. So there's a spring. Anyway. Nice. And so basically this, because this here is where you put the battery. The battery, this and this is where you put your servo to orientate the plane. And here is going to be the motor. And so this is just a cover. Up. That's it. Like that. And so this is not glued yet, but the engine itself that we painted. So I need to do some touch-up of paints, but so the engine itself, you cannot really see. How am I gonna do this? But the engine is, you can kind of see here. It's screwed to the thing. There is screw holding it in place. And then we put this. So this, the cover, was a real pain to put on top without breaking it. And I need to glue it in place. I don't know how. So there is a bit of paint to do on the engine. Knowing that we have the core here that will go there, of course, and the blade that we need to paint, that will go here. Hello, Uli Uli. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Isn't paint heavy? No, because it's spray. I mean, it's airbrush paint, so it's very light. And on top of that, this version for now, it's not the flying version, so that's why the engine here is resin printed. It's not technically, it's not the real engine, like it's the decorative one. So for example, this is very light, except the engine itself is what makes it heavy. All the weight almost is there. You can feel it when you have it in hand. Also, here, there will be the seats somewhere like that we need to do, and the instrument panel also. But the instrument panel, I still need to print the PDF to... Oh, and I see that there is a little break there, so I'm gonna put some glue right now. Up, just to something like that. Puff. Why use lightweight filaments? Because it's nice. It's more like a proof of concept. And I'm still gonna put all the wire to move all the rudder and everything. So technically, it's gonna be flyable. Up. It's gonna be flyable. But not right away. Like technically, if I put a motor, if I put a battery and everything, it's gonna be flyable. It's just that right now in the current situation, it's not. We will eventually make it flyable when I will have more time. I have 0 time, literally. But that's it. Very cool. Now, it's not done. We have. So this you already saw, I think. 1 wing. 2 wing. So this I think we assembled together. Another wing. And yet another one. So this one I assembled this afternoon because I was missing this part. And you can see that the color is not exactly the same. The texture is not also because the parameters of printing are not exactly the same. But yeah, so we have all of our wing. Paint gets heavy when you have a huge plane to cover it. The reason why the military stopped using color on their plane. World War II and later commercial plane was to replace the weight of the paint with more fuel. Yeah, and on this case, it's really light. Not everything will be painted on top of that. Just this part of the wing, for example. It's just gonna be some part. I can calculate how much, but to be fair, look, this is the size of a pot of paint. It's 16 milliliters. I think we're gonna use maybe half of a pot like that, to give you an idea. So maybe, okay, let's be generous, 10 milliliters of paint. So I think it's gonna be quite light. I think it's gonna be very light. Okay, let's look a bit the assembly first of the wing, and then so we can continue. So I'm gonna show you this also. I need to print. The problem with that is that I need to print it, but I don't know the scale because they say that basically they say that it's scale marketing PDF and I'm supposed to have a scaled one, but I don't know how to print it to the right scale. Anyway, up. See, theirs is like fully painted. It won't be the case for us. For us, it will be mostly unpainted. Okay, wing assembly. This is the one that we want. Off. So, all this we did already. Hopla. Now, this is the part that we didn't do yet. Let's take the small wing first. Yes, you know the scale, I don't. I mean, do I? Yeah, but the thing is that this... Wait. Okay. This is A4. But I don't know the scale of it because this is not the right scale of the model. I know the scale of the model, not the scale of this. So I could, like for example, I could measure this and measure mine and adapt it, but I don't know the scale of this one. Up. Let's go back. Yeah. Let's guess. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna measure and guess the right scale. I sent them an email and they didn't answer. Up. So let me get the parts. Tack. Tack. I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna take everything off and we will see. So, if we take... So this, let's start with the other one. Just so it appears to be exactly like on the video. Up. So we have this one. No. This one. No. No. Wait, what did I do? This one, yes. Here. And this... Ah. Okay, like that. I got scared for a second. And then this. Is it the same? They're all the same anyway. L, R. L, R. So this wing is the left wing. Something like this, I think. Pa. So, wait. So technically this is gonna be glued together like that. Okay. I'm gonna show you it's gonna be easier. Up. And then... Okay, so we cut the parts that we don't really care. Ah, I need to modify it a bit. Because it was when I did the mistake. So basically, here... Okay, so this is the left, but we don't care. So here, you can see that it's full. And here, it's full too. And here it's not supposed to be full, it's supposed to be empty because this one is supposed to go inside the other. What do they call the light cycle type flying thing in Tron Legacy RS? Not recognizer, the thing that draw line. They're making one of those basically. Wait. The light cycle type flying thing in Tron Legacy and Earth. Oh, I really don't know the name of that. I really don't know the name of it. I don't know much about the lore of Tron. Okay, let's cut. Yep. I need to be careful. No. First, I need to be careful and to cut the right part. Okay, I'm just gonna make a hole like that. Then we're gonna try to pull to delaminate it. Dentist time. Need to be careful because it's warming up. I guess they are called light jet. Would make sense. I see exactly what you're mentioning, but I have no idea how they are called. Hopla. Need to be careful. You see that it's melting the side, which is clearly not what I want. So I might as well use the normal cutter. Okay, let's do it in the middle just to make a hole. Damn, I really fill that up. Okay, for once, let's use the normal cutter. I just need to cut the blade. We're trying to make a plane that 3D print in the air, right? Not just a 3D printed RC plane. Now that would be cool. Now that would be cool. That would be quite a challenge, not gonna lie. 3D printed RC plane is still cool, but I'm wondering, no. It's just a 3D printed plane. It's not gonna 3D print while flying. That would be cool, but no. Unfortunately, not this time. Okay, and you see, I can just pull it this way. I just need still to be careful. But if I pull it, hopla. Okay, I removed the bits there. Shouldn't be too bad. Still, I need to remove this part. Are the file public? No, I mean, you can follow the link that should be pinned in the chat. There is the link to the file, but it's you have to buy it. You have to buy it. You have to purchase the file. Up. You can check on the website of 3D Lab. They have some, I think they are free file. This one is not part of them, but I think they are free file. Free plane. Okay, let's up. Remove a bit. Okay. Hopla. What does it look like now? Still not perfect. Going to see. There's a bit of a gap there. I'm printing a filament with spooler right now. With which filament are you printing it? Very useful. I did it once a long time ago, and I'm still using it till this day. Very useful. It's a bit tricky to find the right file, like the right filament to print it with, and the right file to make it sturdy. Because I tried a lot that were a bit flimsy. Okay, this will do. Like that, perfect. But definitely worth it. Okay. Not this time, Sunlu just confirmed they will do that next time. Stop the press. Not this time, exactly. Maybe. Who knows what the R&D is cooking? I can't display, I can't not display, I can't talk about anything. Hopla. Oh, fuck. As we mentioned last time, when you don't want the glue to glue, it holds like crazy right away. And when you actually want it to glue, it doesn't hold at all. Okay, so. Something like that. And now you will see that it won't hold at all. Okay. Well, I guess I might have to reprint those parts. Now I kind of broke them. The streaming is starting well. Let me remove a bit. Hopla. Well, I guess that's its part that we're gonna have to reprint. The stream is starting very well. I'm just not gonna risk it. Okay, this one is good, but... Well, you know... Up. Wait, this one. I'm just gonna start this. Up. So. This one looks pretty sturdy. I'm doing it in PTG. Called a V-spooler. PTG is the right choice. Emoji 3D. Let me open this and show you that while we're at it. So, off. So, let's see. So this is the file. The filed. It's clearly not a word, but this is the file that we are giving. Oh, I cannot speak. My God, this is the file that we have, and you see that it's supposed to be open at the bottom. But why is it also full? Oh yeah, this one is supposed to be full at the top, and this one is supposed to be empty here. Okay, and this printing 2:50. Okay, so what we're gonna do is that this we don't need. This one. Up. We're gonna take the core one high flow, Sunlu PLA lightweight here. Tack, tack, slice. 1:28. It's better. Okay. $1:28. Let me see. Okay, I don't like that though. That's because I'm in 0.25 up. Oh, and also, let me change something. By default, it's Arachne, but we want to print it in classic. And so this is better because you can see that here it's smooth. Okay. Let me see the other parts. So this is and this. Okay. Okay. So 1 hour. So let's say 2 hours with the bed leveling and everything. It's gonna be short, but it's gonna do. The only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna orientate it this way and this way, up, facing each other like that. That way, if there is stringing, it's gonna be between the two parts there. So it's not as annoying as it could be, not as visible. Up. And then add to the print queue. If we look, like this one should finish print queue at 2040, 840. We will see. If we are quick enough, we might assemble it at the end. Okay. It wasn't planned. Let's be a bit more careful for the next one. Zach Fredman convinced me to try PCTG because I got a good feel for PTG and he claimed it is easier and better and pretty much in every way. I never tried it. But PTG by itself is already quite easy to print. Not as much as PLA, but nothing is as easy as PLA. But I'm curious to know. Okay, now the issue is that I've put glue on the new blade that I just cut. Very, very smart of me. Yep. I've been having so much less stringing since she's taking seriously filament drying. Yes, it's very. Yep. It's like it's the best thing to reduce the stringing, and in this case the stringing is a bit different because this filament is very prone to stringing. The PLA lightweight by default is making way more string. It's way more sensitive to stringing than normal PLA, which usually doesn't string that much, except if it's really moist. Hopla. And this one is thick too. Up. Just got a roll of PCTG2, but haven't tried it yet. Well, give us your feedback when you will. I never tried it. Up. Just gonna do something like this. Okay, so now I try to pull it out. Without pulling the side, hopefully. I don't know. Yeah, I'm basically delaminating the top. So I don't know, I think we might have to print this one too. I mean, no, not necessarily. Okay. I still have to cut these little parts though. Dentist time. I need to wash the bed of my U1 so I can print some PTG. I had 2 good print of PLA, but PTG wasn't not good. I mean, PLA really is a cheat code. You can really print everything on every printer so easily with PLA. It has so much give. Yep. It's PLA is too easy. Okay, well this one I'm cutting to see if it's gonna work, but I don't know. Yep. Come on. Hopla. Okay. Does it work now? No, not this one. This one. Okay, this one work. This one work, so we don't need to reprint this one. Okay. So. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take a bit. A tiny bit of wire here that I'm gonna put in between the two. That way it's gonna be a bit easier to align the hole. For PTG I need a super tight Z offset and thick application of glue stick every time for good adhesion. Washing the residue every few prints. Yeah, it's a bit more sensitive. I don't put that much glue. I mean, to be fair, I don't use a glue stick. I use glue spray. And I find it's way better because it doesn't leave as much. It basically doesn't leave at all residue on the bed. And so if you don't touch the bed, it's gonna stay good for quite a while. Stay clean for quite a while. And you just need to clean it with hot soapy water and that's enough. Churning out this small part for like 5 days. I mean, you want it to be sturdy, so you need to engineer. You need to be serious. Oh my god! Wait, tack. The table is dirty, so of course there is some filament stuck. Up. Let's glue these two together like that. I'm just gonna apply a bit of glue on the joint. And I'm gonna let it dry. Okay. And I'm gonna let it dry. Puff. Okay. I recently glued something and put the tube on the worktop. The next day I wanted to put the tube away. Well, there's now a piece of tube stuck to the plate. No! Was never happened to me before. A glue to the plate. Damn. New plate. No other solution. Now. Up. This is you. So this, let's pretend that this is done. Okay, wait. Now, for the big wing, they take... Okay, so for the big wing, they take the same like that. So this one is left, right, no, left. Will I have the same issue? Yes, of course I will have the same issue because I'm stupid. It's full. So it cannot be glued like that. Oh well. That's my dumbass. Is it gonna work? Yeah. Not much choice anyway. Need to be careful with it. Up. Hopla. Just like this. And then this is left, left. Like that's perfect. I just want to check. Yep. Need to verify that if we glue it like that. Okay, it still fits. That's okay. Puff. So we can glue. Up. I'm just gonna check this one and this one. Yeah, they are the exact same. Okay. Up. And now we wait. Now we wait. Can I put it on the side? Is it safe? It is safe. Okay. Up. Same for this one then. Oh. Oh. Tac. Oupla. Okay, just need to cut just a couple of layers. Hop là. So, good. Hello, Clayton. It's been a while. How are you in Hawaii? Okay, I just need to cut a bit, again, a bit of the middle parts here, because it's blocking a bit. Okay, for that I might use the ultrasonic cutter. I need some precision. Up. Poof. And now what? What's going on with you? Working? Okay, it's working. The Stream Deck that wasn't working. It's not a Stream Deck, but whatever. I wish it was, but it's not. Okay, was there? And now it's way better. It fits way better. Time to glue. Yep, and we're gonna put it on the side too to dry. Up, if I don't glue my finger with it. I just need to make it straighter. Okay. This one is glued. Up. Now we have this one was the right, I think, if I recall correctly. So it goes like this. There is a bit to remove there. Same process. Up. Okay. Puff. Like this. Time to glue, not my finger. Tack. And it's gonna be the same. We're gonna put it vertically. And we wait for it to dry. So this one is done. I'm still gonna reinforce a bit with glue. Just to be sure. Up, and we can start the assembly. So, what do we have here? Up, that's it. Okay, so we take the wire, and that's it. This one is the left. So this is the left. Hopla. Are the file public? No. I mean, yes and no. I don't know if it's still pinned in the chat. I don't think it is. Let me ping it again. Unpin. Oh, it was. Pin. Okay, so in the chat you can see that there is the file to the link. There's the link to the file, my bad. Up. And so you can buy the file. It's not free, but it is public. Okay. Tac. It's pinned for me. Perfect, perfect. I repinned it on Twitch because it wasn't on Twitch, but it's it should be good for both now. So this goes here, and for that we need some wire like that. Up. Just gonna take, let's say this one. Just gonna remove the tape. Up. What about this? Okay. Just gonna cut it at that point. Paf! Finally. Okay. Let's take this one. Okay. So, we try to make it quite straight. Not that it really matters. And then up. We don't glue the finger together. Ah. Up. Up. How is this one supposed to turn, by the way? Like, did I miss a part on that? Because this is easy, there is this to hold it, but this one? Wait, did I make something wrong again? No. But, okay. How are they supposed to orientate then? Wait. Let me take the step by step. Oh my god. I already cannot speak. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna come back to grab the parts that are printed. Let's see. So as you can see, there is a bit of stringing, but that's okay. So wait, final wing assembly. This is what we want. I mean, we want it if it's loading. Up. Okay, okay. Okay, so this is easy, but this, what about this part? Is it supposed to just flap like that? Ah, so they take some wire, fold it, and then, yes, we printed some parts that are gonna be glued here. Okay. Okay, well, that's for later. Okay, let's go back to wing. Up. Fuselage. Because wing, we did. Hopla. So this doesn't need to be that long. I'm gonna measure. Let's say approximately this. It's gonna be enough. Oh, wait. I need this. Paf. So. I do it like that. No. Oui. Come on. Ah. Up. And lastly. Paf. I'm gonna put it all the way here and a drop of glue on the thing. Wait, no, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it a bit. Oh, but let's pull it with this. If I can. If I can. Come on. Now I can put some glue. And now I can push. And this way, I'm putting the glue inside the tube. Okay. That's it. So it's gonna stay in place. Puff. And on the side it goes. Okay. This one is the right wing. I think it's the right wing. No. This is the left. Hopla. Like this, exactly. Okay. Is this one long enough? I doubt. Too short. Up. Up. Gonna try to see if I do it this way. Approximately, I'm here. Okay. That's gonna be enough. Yes. Puff. Click. Hop là. Like that. Perfect. I just want to verify one last time that it's the right orientation. YouTube is lagging, as always. It's always crazy. So. Up. I just want to check the orientation of the wing. So basically, this part need to be at the... Exactly, yeah. Yeah, okay. This is exactly what we have. Okay. So we can glue again. And... Tac. Okay, perfect. A bit more. This cam of tube, it's half empty, as always. It's literally empty. There is less than a gram in it. It's a scam. Never buy the big tube. Always buy the small one. Okay, just need to... Because I can see that there is a bit of glue on the wing itself. Hopla. Okay, now. So, We did all this. And we didn't glue the back there. This we don't care. A tail assembly. Pa-pa-pa. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera a bit so I can film the ground. But before that, I just want to see. Okay, this will be where we are. Back. Ground. You want to go the floor in there? I am. I'm gonna floor you. Up. You will see something that's very rare. Not everybody have the privilege to see it. I'm talking about something that's often considered a myth. Some people say that it doesn't exist. I'm gonna prove them wrong by showing you a streamer's leg. It's actually right. It's actually true. Okay. Cable are a bit tight. What? Yeah, the cable are very tight. Like this. Up. Wait, you got two of them? Exactly. Two leg. That's because I'm not a real streamer. Well, it's broken now. Must be CGI. I won't say anything regarding that. Is it still in one piece? It seems so. Okay. Watch out. I got two of them and I even got 2 feet. Up. I don't know if you could hear the boom. It was what? This fell on the floor. Hello, by the way, Maki. I think now it's just the normal way to greet each other. Hopla. Okay, let's glue. With this scam of a glue. I'm flabbergasted that small tube like that I hold for a week, and just this, it's the third one that I open. Like half of it is empty. It's clearly not 3 grams. It's a scam. I think it's a conspiracy by the glue maker, by the glue manufacturer. Okay, of course, when I apply the glue, there is some parts that need some. Okay. My bad. Up. Paf. Come on. It's going to be tough. Is it good? I think it is. It's good. I think it is good. And now we wait a bit. Awesome. Okay, and while that's dry, we can watch the video. Hopla. So, one tube to the back. I hope they are long enough. They have a special plier that make a weird shape. I wish I had that. I don't. Okay, they make it go inside the thingy. Up. Okay. Then they make it go along it. Okay. Off. Très bien. Now for this one. Same, but different tube. Okay, well, it's gonna be for the other one. Okay, let's start with this one. So, I take a long tube. It's not a tube. A long cable. Hopefully it's long enough. It look exactly the right size. Yep. Where is it? Going to see. Hey, I can see it. It's here. I don't know if you can see. It's here. So that means that it's long enough. Good, good, good. Okay, so now we take our plier and we make a right angle, tack, and another right angle. Hopla. I don't have the fancy thing. I will do without. Now, this one goes. Oh my god. Up. Like this. And this one goes. It's a bit too long. I can feel it blocking. Okay, well. Give me a sec. I'm just gonna cut it a bit, because it's a bit too long. Puff! That's me. You can see my bald spot. Okay. Puff. Tack. Okay. And now we make it go through. Wait, is this one good? I don't know. I just want to see if this would go all the way. No, it wouldn't. It's in two parts. So yeah, it's like that. Okay. So I used around half of it. And the other way. Yeah, the same. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna pull a bit. As always, a bit of glue. Push it. Cut it. Yep là. Up. Glue. Now we take the rod. Okay, maybe it's gonna be a bit too short. Come on. Ah. Oh, that's perfect. It's even a bit too short. Too long. Okay, same. Glue. Push. Pull, cut. Now, I've been sending it flying. Okay. And now, so if I do this, what will happen? Wait, I'm showing you that. Hopla. If I do this, hey, I made a fancy fan. I made a over-engineered fan. Nice. Look at that. Okay, we're halfway there. Let's not stop on such a nice ground. Hopla. It flaps. Exactly. Now. Okay, puff, puff, puff. Ta-da. We do exactly the same thing, but with the tail here. That will go like that. Aren't we supposed to put the other part first? Okay. Just want to see. Yeah, this part. Well, the video editor should have put that first. Anyway, where is the part? Sorry, you didn't see anything, but let me get it. Yep là. Ah. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, I don't need a seat. You can do that standing or kneeling. So this will go up. Something like this. Puff. Okay, glue. To prevent it from going too far. It's the liquid one, so by capillarity it's gonna go. No need to worry. I'm just gonna wipe the excess because we're gonna put the other one there. So, you. Hey, where are you going? Is it long enough? Oui. Hop là. This need to go inside here. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna take the other side. It's a bit too twisted. Hopla. Hey. Puff. Like this. We do the same. So 45 plus 45, 90 plus 90. Up. And then we take the flap here. Like that. No. Wait, what? Wait. It's gonna be like that. Okay. So, we turn it. And we need to put it like this. And like this. Okay. Like that. But first, let's cut a bit of that. It's a bit too long. Can I do it from here? Clack. Clack. Okay. So. Click clonk. Hopla. Now this goes back. Who would have thought that making a plane would be that complicated? Who can expect it to be complicated? Okay, this is gonna be annoying. Hey! Stop turning. Hopla. Perfect. Okay, don't be annoying. What? Damn. Okay. Like this. And then I take this and I push it in position. Hopla! We cut. No, we don't cut anything. It only took me 7 years. Yeah, it's okay. 7 years, can you imagine? 7 years to build a plane. That's actually quite short. I'm quite efficient. Okay, wait. Yep. Okay, it's still a bit too long. Wait. This. Clip. Snip, snap. Clack. Glue. Hopla. Okay, now if I show you the tail like that. Hopla. So if I take this one, ha! Double action fan. Isn't it amazing? Double action fan. Who can pretend to have such a fan? I can even do it both at the same time. Damn, it's a bit complicated because I have two ends in the... Oh, anyway. I'm not gonna finish my sentence. It would be a bit weird. Okay, let's close this. Path. This goes on the side, I think. Yopla. So. Now. Ah, it's better to be seated though. Oh, first we're gonna finish one of the wing. Oh yeah. Hopla. Up. So I take this. I put it here. And I take this rod. Inside the wing it goes. Like this. Now we need to aim for the hole. Not push too far because we don't want to damage anything. We can turn them around in case it struggles. Wait. Aim for what? I knew it. And I must say, I'm not disappointed. Not anymore. Wait. Where's the hole? Okay, we're gonna clean this. Ah, it's clogged. Why? Why is it clogged? Ah. Tac. Tac. Okay. The hole is free. Okay, at that point I'm just trying to trigger Maki. Hopla! Up, all the way through. Ah, this one. That's good. Puff. A bit of glue. Up, clearance, clarence. Tack. Isn't it clean? Hop là, ouais. Bonk. Don't do like me. Meaning don't open a tube of glue with your mouse. Only bad thing can result from it. I thought I made a mistake. Oh my god. I got scared for a second. I thought I got the wrong wing. No, that's okay. Hopla. So this is done. We still have the bottom one. It's okay. The part are reprinting. It's okay. So, landing gear. Episode 2. Because if you remember, I messed up episode 1. Oh yeah, I messed up that too. Okay, good. Let me clean a bit. Okay. Flamethrower. Up. I'm cleaning this. Will the plane fly at the end of today's stream? Yes, it will. It will. Wait, I have 1 hour and a half. I promised at the beginning of the stream, I promised to Bravery Girl that I would be done. I think I should never make such promise regarding the stream. Hopla. Come on. Up. Puff. This one, we remove the little thing for the filament. Up. Like this. This one too. And this time I finally have some decent screws that will go in the hole. Okay. Flamethrower. Be careful with a fully extended knife like that. Yep. Yeah. I do it like that for 2 reasons. First, because the beginning of the blade here is a bit dull. So the base there is sharper. And also because that way, on flat surface like that, I can have the length and the flexibility of the blade to put it very perpendicular to the surface, so I don't risk to cut the surface. It's a bit of a how to say, I don't know, to scrape it basically. It's better to scrape the parts. Hop là. No. Here. And I have this I reprinted. That's nice. This goes on the side. This goes... Okay, wait. This goes with me. Okay, so this and this goes together like that. I need to put a screw inside there, and a screw here. But this is easier because it's going to be after. But first, spool. So this is PC ABS, just like last time. Up. A bit of filament. We put it inside here. Inside. Okay. Inside. Apply. It's a bit too much, this one. And cut it in half. Okay, so this one is here. Okay. Glue. Hopla. Up. I put the nut here, and I put my bit of filament back, and the last one, and now I can glue up. But of course, okay. Up. Perfect. Okay, this is for later. Like this. I can even center this a bit. Okay. She's not perfectly flat. It's okay, because anyway there will be a part there. This one, yes. This one, like that. Hello, Dan Think Tank. So this one, I mean, technically I don't need to put a nut because it's going to be nuts on nut. I mean, at least it's going to be secured. Up. On the side. Now for this one, exactly the same process, but just need to clean a bit. Exactly the same process, but we won't put the filaments because this is the old part, and so the filaments are stuck in there, so there is not much we can do, but still put a nut. M3, M3, up. Back. Up. And this will hold like this together. Hello, hello, how are you? And now we wait. Okay. gonna put this here. Okay. Ah, good. A bit of glue. A bit of glue. Up. Hopla. Now we wait. So we just need to be sure. This one, it needs to be this one, I think. Like that. Up. So if I take this, yes, exactly. Puff. So this one. Hopla. Up. As always, I'm gluing my fingers. I'm starting to get used to it now. I'm glad I'm not wearing glove. Hopla. You know what? I'm gonna use gel. I'm crazy like that. I'm gonna use a mix of both. Where is the spring there? Oh, it's, yeah, it is spring indeed. Okay. So the liquid is just so it's all right away, or almost right away. And the gel, so it's all on the long run. Then I'm full of glue, it's disgusting. Hopla. Crazy guy. Oh, I'm so crazy. You can't imagine. Can't imagine. I'm a bit of a dark Sasuke myself. What am I even saying? Hopla. One guy with a crazy idea. You know what? Maybe it could work. When I was like 11, 12-year-old, most of my pocket money went into epoxy glue to fix the RC plane. Yep, I can understand. This is expensive. And what's even funnier... You know, it's not gonna work like that. I don't have a smaller one. What's even funnier is that you say most of your money went into this, and I'm sure that most of the glue went into your hand. So technically, most of your money went into your hand. Up, like that. It's coming together indeed. It is coming together. We are getting somewhere. Okay, this is done. We screw, blah, blah, blah. Hopla. So, where are the screws? We have one here. The other one is here. So, oh my god. I think I made a mistake. I hope it's not gonna be too annoying. It is gonna be very annoying. Ah, is that... Okay, I'm gonna explain you. I knew it was a mistake. Basically, you have a nut here, and you have a nut here. The idea of that is that you cannot screw into two nuts. When you screw into two nuts, it blocks the screw, which is something we want. We want to block the screw in this case. But here, I only have thread here, not here. Meaning, when I'm gonna put this one here, I cannot screw because I cannot screw a nut on a nut thread, unthread thingy. Especially when both locally, like 4 or 5 years later from Hobby King, it would have been 1/10 of the cost here. Probably. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna hit it and push it. And worst case, I'm gonna drill inside. You know what? It's not even gonna be the worst case. It's gonna be the first case. So we're gonna start with 3.0. But first, I think I need some tea. Power tool. Exactly. Are you ready to see me lose one of my finger? Well, hopefully no. Because if it happened... First, I'm going to the US next week, so I don't want to be hurt. And if it happened, I'm gonna be banned off Twitch. So... Please no. See? What did I say? So, what did we learn? That the glue wasn't gluing. Oh well, look at this. There is no nut anymore. Okay, that's good. First, there is no nut anymore. I once bought a 15 pack of Hobby King epoxy, but they didn't have it lately. Now I bought the one at Lidl most of the time. I think I should just do this because I'm buying the official glue at Bauhaus. It's a scam. Most of the tubes are empty. Wait. So we all agree that nothing ever happened, right? You'll be in person at the TCT? Yes, I will. I will be there. Okay, well. Let's do it again. Okay, this was better. This was better, this was safer. Hopla. And then this one goes up. Okay, need to be a bit deeper there. It's not enough. So what we're gonna do, that we're gonna hit this part and pull it a bit to make it go a bit further. Hopefully the screw is long enough so I don't burn my finger. Yes, it is. Just like that. Just flush with the surface like this. Up. Okay, we pull it. Pull it out. I don't have... Ah, yes, I do have water. Hopla. You didn't hear it, but it made pshit. And it was still not a long enough pshit. Okay, wait. Up. You can do that with steel, but not with copper. Yeah. I would use plier. Anyway, for the next one, I'm gonna use plier. Up. Just gonna remove a bit of the plastic on it. This copper conducts the heat way more. Okay, so... Puff. Tack. It should be okay. Let's see. Yep. Ah, fuck. I didn't put the core in the tire. Up. It's always a pain. Just like with a real tire. Okay. It's always a pain. How did I do it the first time? Because I know I did it already. Did I just press it really hard? How did I do it? I think I did it just like with a real tire. I used the tool like that. Yep. Come on. Hopla. Yep. Damn. Ah. Ah. Woo. Yeah, especially this small end out and truck tire. Damn. Woo-hoo-hoo. That was tough. Okay, so this one goes inside. This goes like this. I need my ball screw like that. This one need to go inside, up, and then we screw, if we can. I know it's because we need to, okay, we need to find a hole. Just like that, not too much. That's perfect. Let's do it a bit less, just to be flush. Hey, hey! Isn't it perfect? Make it look good. And look at the texture of this tire. Isn't it so cute? Okay, second one. Well, the second one is still a challenge. Because we'll face the same problem. So, I won't do the same. I won't risk my finger by drilling it. That's so good, thank you, thank you. Up. Puff. Well, I'm gonna put it aside and we'll struggle with the second one now. Not drilling your fingers seemed like a good plan. Exactly. I think I'm gonna pass this time. I'm not gonna drill it. Okay. Whew. Ah. Up, almost there. Yee-hee! Hopla. Way easier, this one. Way easier. Okay, so. This one. It's called... Yes, but it's fully glued. This is very annoying. Because the problem now is that... You will see that if I screw... Hopla. I mean, I could have solved this basically by, putting screw on both sides. It would have been ugly. Up, if I screw. I will show you. Eventually. Ah, see? I cannot screw anymore. See, even Sebastian is throwing me tomato. He's right to throw me tomato. I cannot screw anymore. So... Hopla. I'm gonna remove this one. This was also a better way to do it. A bit more efficient than drilling my finger. But I guess we all learn by doing mistake. That's the beauty of it. Hop-la. I hope you don't add a redeem like 100k channel point for a filament and I threw all of out for tomatoes. I do plan to do it, not even a joke, but well, first the tomato is 250, so it's okay. It's not expensive, and I do plan to do so, but later. Later. Up. Okay. So, I'm gonna warm this one. which wasn't my smartest move. Not gonna lie. Hopla. Path, this one go back. It goes back in the box. Okay, so tire. Okay, there is something that's scraping. I'm gonna give a bit too much resistance. I don't want this. Okay, so I was saying. Up. We screw. Almost there. Up. Up. Allez. Allez. And we have 2 tires. Yay. Good. So, next. Damn. It was longer than expected. Okay, so they cut the carbon rod at 30. 31.5. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Just like that. $31.5. Okay. Yeah, they make an angle with it. And the other one at 27. Okay. Perfect. Let's do this. Tac. Hello, KKKKK. Up. So. Well, that's what we're gonna do. First, this. Up. This one. Up. I don't need for now. Same for... No, this one I do. Tac. So... Carbon. Yeah. I already have a small one. I doubt it is... it's a shame. It's almost good. But it's not enough. So... Oh well. Well, it's a bit destroyed, but I have my cutting mat. Wait, I have an idea. Hopla! Brand new cutting mat. Like this. So, we said 31.5 31.5. This one. Okay, there's a little mark here. I'm just gonna check once again that I have the right measurements. 31.5. Do I have like the 31.6? Watch out. 316. Okay, it's not going to change anything. We're going to take this. I'm going to put a mask. Safety first, as you could tell from what I did earlier. Up. I'm going to take this. Puff. Okay, so checking, it's here. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Up. $31.5. Perfect. Let's measure it with this one to be sure. Yeah. So I cannot really measure it with this because it's a bit too long, but thank you, Yuval, for subscribing on YouTube. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Up. And this one now, I'm gonna use this as a mark. Up. Up. Tack. Okay, now this is gonna be for later. So I have 1, 2. Now, how long are they, by the way? They are 40. Okay. Tack. It's a bit of a shame because I have a lot of waste, but it's okay. This one, 27. Up. Okay. 27. Perfect. So, same here. Up. Okay. And now we're just gonna smooth out the edges. But for that, I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this. But where is it? Where did I put it? Ah, this little attachment. Up. Okay. 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 Puff. I can remove this. And that's it. And now I cannot drink my tea anymore. It's not safe to drink a tea after making nasty dust like that. So don't do this at home. Okay, wait. Okay. I can drink water though, because the bottle was close. Okay, so. So what are they doing? They are cutting the thing, and then they are putting everything like this. Okay. Ah, it's self-tapping screw, okay. So, that means it's the return of the leg. Something along the line. Hop là. Yep. Hop. So we remove this. We take the long one or the short one? Wait, this is gonna be like that, so the long one, okay. We take up, long goes here. Puff. Short goes there. Hop là. Come on. Up. Now it doesn't really matter. But basically, this will go here, and this will go here. Okay. This looks like a fun kit. It is. It is. Okay, this is the right one. It goes there. Okay, first, before anything else, we need to put some glue here. Up, other side too. Okay. Chuk, 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 chuk. Now we press it. What did I break? Something inside, it's okay. Okay, pull this. I pull this. Okay. This one. Same. Glue. Here. And just a bit. Just a bit like this. Up. Hopla. Boom. Perfect. So now if I turn it like this, I can put a screw there. Wait. I'm gonna put it on the table and I'm gonna take the screws. It's too small tapping screw. Taping screw? Tapping screw? Des vis autoforeuses. That's the real name. I don't have the screwdriver here. It's there. Yep. So. Paf. Hello everybody, can you please explain which printer you are using? So this is not a printer. This is a RC plane. I'm joking. We are using to print this. Most of the parts were printed on a Prusa Core 1. Basically almost every white parts were printed on the Prusa Core 1. Some parts, yeah, it's not powerful, this one. Some parts were printed on some white parts. If I don't turn off my mic accidentally. Some parts were printed on a MK3S Plus with a 0.25 nozzle. The reason behind that is some that need detail. Like, this one, for example, just this one is printed on the MK3. Mostly because the other one was full. I use it. It's okay. There is like maybe 5 parts, mostly decorative parts, that are made on the MK3. And the TPU part here, this one, that you can see there, is printed on a P1S from Bamboo Lab. And, oh, I almost forgot, here we have the engine. That's resin printed. Printed on a Creality Alot Mage S. Yes, it is. I had a doubt for a second. But no, it's the right printer. Okay. Why do I have to make it so big? I could have used such a smaller rod. I don't really understand. Maybe I should watch everything before continuing. Ah. It's because we will see after, but they use parts. So I should not glue the thing, basically. Oh, it's okay. But they use parts to hold the rod together. Hopla. Nice. Seems that you have many printer. I'm also interested in 3D printer, but I have no glue. What to buy? Any suggestions? Glue? Or no clue? Do you mean no clue to what printer to buy? Or no glue to put on the build plate of your printer? If you're looking for a glue suggestion, I advise you to take some spray glue. For example, my go-to, but I'm sure there is plenty of other, but my go-to is 3D lac. I love it. It's very efficient, doesn't leave any residue. I like it. And if you have no clue for what printer to get, it's complicated. It depends of your, I mean, complicated. No, it's not complicated, but it's really depend on your budget. And I would suggest you, oopla, you shouldn't press too much on that. I would suggest you, I mean, mostly depend on your budget, but either Bamboo Lab or Prusa. That's the one that I would suggest. Mostly because they are the one with the huge user base. So especially if you're a beginner, big user base mean a lot of support, which can be useful. And those are two brands that are very reliable. Hopla. Very reliable, with also a lot of parts available. It will depend on your budget and on your philosophy also. Because, for example, Prusa is way more expensive than, I mean, way more. It's more expensive than Bamboo, but it's open source and it's made in European Union. So it's like, it's up to you. I'm gonna look, have a good stream and have a good trip to DCT. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. I'm gonna continue a bit. Hopefully we can move forward a bit more than this. Okay, where did I put the screws? There. Wow! Shenanigan 3D just raided. Thank you. Thank you, Shenanigan. Thank you, everybody. Welcome to the stream. As you can see, we are still doing the same bullshit. The same airplane. But you can see that we are really moving forward. That sounds good. Bamboo Lab P2S is new on the market. Yeah. Yeah. You can also buy, if you're not sure, you can buy a used one, as long as it's in good condition. That's a bit more of a bet. But yeah, P2S, I couldn't try it. I think it's worth... I mean, that depends on the price difference. It's worth buy new rather than used. That depends, but... P2S, I can say I never tried it. But if it's... This one was printed, as I said, on the P1S. So I would assume that the P2S is a bit better than the P1S. So it's always a safe choice. I have the chance to try different printer and different brand. I'm biased, but yeah, it's mostly what will make your choice is the budget. Shenanigan 3D send his love. Thank you, Shenanigan 3D. I'm watching you for a few days and it's quite cool. What are you doing? What you doing? Thank you, thank you. And thank you, Shenanigan, for the raid. I know I need to confess something and I need to apologize. Is that when I raid someone, I never watch the stream that I raid, mostly because I don't have the time and I need to go home. So whenever we raid someone, by advance, I'm sorry. Okay, what about this and this? Just need to check. So, wait a sec, there is... Okay, so, I'm watching you for a little bit. This I already read. But thank you. Thank you for watching me. Up. So we have this and this. Should we use the big one? We can use the big one. So, up, let's get this ready. A bit less, like this. Then, like this. Up. I'm understanding the P1S and P2S print the same, but the P2S has some quality of life improvements, like the front panel, the nozzle swap, AI, and better chamber ventilation control. Yeah, that's what I... Well, yeah, that's what I had in mind, indeed. And to be fair, I mean, we have P1S in the office. Wait. Where is the part? Ah. Cannot be too far. Bye. I keep hitting myself. Wait a sec. I'm gonna look for it. Found it. Hopla. My God. Okay, so what did I say? Sorry, I missed some stuff. P1S is quality improvement. Yeah. Yeah, I said that the quality basically it's already very good, so budget is always the topic, but I think if you start with hobby, you have to invest, otherwise it's not a hobby. No, to be fair, don't pressure yourself like that. First, because it's better to have something than nothing, even if it's under free or whatever. And then, if you realize that you don't like the hobby, for example, it's a bit, you will have something expensive on the end that you don't use, so it's good to not have a very cheap, because buy cheap, buy twice, but you don't need to invest in the craziest thing. The P2S can only take AMS2. Okay, where? Pit of the Cargoon. Hello! Shark Factory Live. I'm here. Thank you. Okay, what did I miss? I have a P1S, I don't see the point of getting the P2S. Yeah, that's the thing, if you have a P1S, yeah. But if you're starting, better take the P2S. Start lockpicking above the basic set. Exactly. Because if you don't like it, then you didn't spend too much. Okay, I need to check the time and I need to be quick. Okay, comes off. It's weird to have my nose on top like that. I'm gonna back up a bit. Yeah, I see the Bambula P2S for €500. Yeah, it's like that depends on the budget that you're ready to put, but especially at the beginning, and also because you will need to buy filaments. You will need to buy some replacement parts because something will break, of course. Up. Tack. So we put M3 nut here. Of course, it's gonna fall. And so this one will go together. And I need a screw. Yes. M3 by 12, something like that. Let's see this one. I'm gonna take a flat head. Up. Come here. I'm gonna take a flat head because there is a bit of a chamfer here to adapt it. So it can be this one. Yeah. A bit longer than that. It's gonna be this. 1, 2. Up. The key, the Torx key. Okay. Let's go back. Hopla. So. Need to be careful. So I'm gonna take one like that, one like that. It's gonna be attached. They're gonna be attached like this. Okay, so starting with this one. Yep. No. It's gonna be like this, otherwise I cannot screw and unscrew it. Up. This and then this. Yes. I mean, it's going to be tough to screw this one. Hopla. So first we're going to put this one. It's going to be a bit easier. But filament isn't that expensive. No, but since it's the one that you use the most, because that's the one you print with, you can quickly spend a lot on filaments. If you want different color, if you want different material, different thing like that, it can be quite a lot. I'm gonna try to, because you cannot see much. Well, I will have my hand on it, so I doubt you will see much more than this already, but yeah. Come on. Wait. Yep. You know what I should do? I should put just a tiny bit of tape just to hold the nut in the hole for now. Hopla. What did you use for your airplane? LWPLA, exactly. Lightweight PLA, that's what we use. How many roll did you use? Well, this is a bit particular because the print that I okay, I used 3, let's say, because I used, how did total, I used 6 roll, I think, but I didn't empty the 6 roll. Is that every one of the roll were drying while the other were in use? So basically, I only finished 2 rolls and then I have bits everywhere. But I think that total I have maybe 3 kg of filament used. But it's also due to the fact that the parts are very, very thin. And so basically it doesn't use a lot of filament at all. Up. The AMS is an awesome quality of life addition. I agree. Especially, the thing is not to do multicolor, because multicolor, I'm gonna be a bit rude, but it's trash. Let's face it. Not the quality of the multicolor, but the fact that you're using way too much filament. There is way too much waste for the multicolor. So it's a bit, for me it's a waste. Up. But the AMS is very nice to be able to load different filaments in your printer, and so it makes it easy to just print and to not have to remove your filament at every print, because it loads automatically in the machine. To not have to... Okay, wait. So this will go like this. Do not have to change filaments. For example, you cannot run out of filament. Up. Wait, give me a sec. Yeah, come on. No, you cannot see anything. Okay. So yeah, you cannot run out of filaments because you put, for example, 2 spools of the same, and it will automatically change if one of the spools is empty. Which is nice, for example, if you want to use your leftovers. Oh my god, okay, yeah. The screw is poking out way too much. Hopla. Yeah, that's good to know. I really like stream where people help other. Exactly, that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to help each other. Okay, my god, it was tougher than expected. Now, we're only halfway there. I need to get an AMS. I mean, to be fair, as I said, I'm a bit sold to Prusa. I really love Prusa. But, yeah. The AMS is really missing for me. They have the MMU, which I never tried. And now they have the Index. I don't remember when it's out, but definitely I want to try the Index. I think it's gonna be... This is gonna be really life-changing. Ah! I print a little multicolor, but I need to have filament ready. Yeah, me too. I actually did print quite a lot of multicolor lately. It's awful. To be fair, it's awful. It's like... It's so prone to failure. It fails so easily. And then you wasted so much filament. And even if it managed to print, there is so much waste. It's not good, but for the filament management, it's very nice. Okay, wait. Sorry for the camera. I need to do this once and for all. Okay. My god. And now we screw. Up. How am I supposed to screw the rest? I don't have like a, a screwdriver that fits. Okay, that's done. Woohoo! My god. Pusha would be super nice, yeah. I would recommend someone get a bamboo A1 over the Ender 3 or similar. Yeah, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Ender 3 is funny, but it's a lot of work and tinkering. So it's really depend on what you're looking for, yeah. The problem is that the MMU of Prussia costs more than the A1 combo. Yeah, but that's the thing with Prussia, everything is way more expensive. It's open source, it's made in Europe, it's normal. And it doesn't come as a dry box dryer, yeah. You need to print some parts and all the adapter. Yeah, it's fair. Okay. Landing gear, part 2. Hopla. So we need spring. I don't have the spring like that. I don't think so. So they... What are they doing? They attach... The part. They attach spring. And cable. But the thing is, I don't have the spring like this. I don't have the spring, so this we're gonna skip. And I'm gonna try to find... Okay, and this we already did. Servo installation. Okay, but we don't have the servo, so this... We can skip. Okay, the tube. 78. Okay, we don't have, but that's okay. Okay, wait. So screw, nut, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Ah, interesting. Still a spring from ballpoint pen. Yeah, but no, because it's the one with the two hook at the end to pull the thing. I look at getting an MMU for the MK4. Yeah, I will. I really wish. And also it takes a lot of room. But basically that's the thing. Prussia is a bit, because that depends. Core 1 is... I disagree with this, but overall Prussia is a bit more tinkering and working around. You can do more stuff with it. You can work around a bit more. And bamboo is plug and play. So it's a choice. Wait. Up. Wait. Up. Okay, so we said these two parts. We need to put nuts here and here. Up. Then easy to bend the spring. Yeah, and I have a box of spring actually. Up. So I will do this, but it's just that right now I want to move forward a bit on the plane because I don't have much time left. And so I want to at least install a wing. I like my MK3, but I mostly print ASA, ABS, PETG with it, and my other prints do PLA. Yeah, I mean, we all have... Looking like an airplane. It does. We all have our little habit with it, and... Hopla, okay. So... But yeah, for example, I use the Core 1 now for most of the thing, but I use the P1S for the more... Up, wait. This is max. I use the Core 1, the P1S, Yep. For the day-to-day print. Don't go further than that. That's weird. Oh, okay. Doesn't matter. Wait. Something like that. Okay, so we take this back. Up. Then we take this. This will go here. Hopla. With some glue. No glue. Up, so. Tac. Tac. Now. One here, one there. Up. The carbon road. The carbon tube, sorry. Where are they? I thought I had another one, but no, apparently no. I don't know where I put them. Yep. Tac. Puff. Okay. So this is for... What? Come back. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the floor. Hop là. Yep. Okay, so this is for the bottom. Like this. Hop. Okay. And then the other wing. Up. Up. Là. Look at this. Perfect. Okay, I just want to know when do I glue them. So puff. Tac, tac. Okay. Okay, so for now I don't glue anything. I just glue the little tab. This tab. Up. Up. Okay, we'll have to cut the carbon tube a bit, but that's okay. Okay, this one, for now, it's done. Okay, now, it actually looks like an airplane. Now this, and this. Hopla. Like this. So, but I have, where did I put the carbon tube? I have this one, but I had more than that. Ah! Here they are. Okay. So, supposed to have another one. That's not it. We have another one. Am I? Ah, okay. They are piercing a hole. Okay, so this one, same. We're gonna do a bit of glue like this. Up. Up. Almost ready to fly it, exactly. Almost ready to fly. Thank you, it looked really nice. It's gonna look so good with the paint. Okay, so. Tack. I need... Where is it? This. Basically, almost the smallest M3 that I have. Which is this one. Up and up. Up. It's short. I need to cut. So now, what they do is that they take a little wire like that, they heat it to pierce a hole so they can self-tap inside. Oh my god, I need to leave. I didn't look at the time. I need to go. Up. Okay, now a self-tapping screw from this bag up, screwdriver. Up. Hopla. Off. Damn, it's so big that it doesn't fit the whole thing. You can look at the small camera. Compared to me, it's big. It's quite big. Okay. Like that. Let me see. Woohoo! Well, I think we're gonna stop here for today. But mostly... Okay, we're gonna raid someone, so stick around. just want to show you this. Hopla. Woohoo! Gonna try to get away. That's quite nice. Wait. Up. We didn't finish it. Nice. And, of course, because it's not fun otherwise. Up, let me take this off. Look there. Hey. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Almost ready. So cool. Thank you. Yep. Hopla. This is the plane. Woohoo! So, I think I'm gonna... Oh wait, I'm gonna do this. Wait a sec. Yep. Back. Allez. And now if I do this... What? I'm upside down! Wait. No. Hopla. Damn, this camera is so much better. I'm keeping it for the thing downstairs, but it's so much better. Look. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna raid someone. First, thank you again, Shenanigan 3D, for the raid. Thank you to everybody who followed the raid. And thank you, Alberto80, for the follow, and Yuval for the follow on Twitch. YouTube, sorry. Okay. Let me see. Who do we have? Who can we raid? Let me see if I have something here. Tac. Following. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna send you the... I know, no, maybe later. Okay, wait. Who can I send you to? I'm looking. Okay, let me see for maker and crafting. Hopla. Yeah, but it's in German. This would have been great, but it's in German. What about airship build final? What could possibly go wrong? Exemplar 87. They are streaming since 11 minutes. I think that's good. It's not fully really an airplane. You will see. But they're building something that go in the air too. So be nice with them. And let's see each other. So let's see each other in 1 week. We're gonna be at TCT Boston. We're gonna stream on Wednesday at 8 p.m. European time. If I'm not wrong, I need to calculate. Basically, it's going to be 2 p.m. Local time for Boston. So be there. We will do a giveaway and we will show you around the booth and everything. In the meantime, thank you for being there tonight with me for the build of the plane. It's not done. We're going to continue a bit. One stream on it. And that's it. And it should be done. Ready to fly. So thank you again. Enjoy. And go right now. Up. Bye.